Welcome to Orani, a town filled with stories from its past, present, and future. But have you ever wondered where the name Orani came from? One day, a Spaniard, while walking and surveying a thick forest, passed by a native who was cutting a big tree. The Spaniard asked the native about the name of the tree, and the reply was Nara. The Spaniard mistook the reply as No Ira, which meant unselfish. The Spaniard then rearranged the letters from these words till it finally came out as Orani, became the official name of the town. Orani Bataan offers wonderful attraction, experience, activities, food, and amenities for the tourists. Sugpo at Alimango. Ito yung pinabalik-balikan ng mga turista na pumupunta sa bayan ng Orani dahil ito ang pinaka-principal na produkto o pangunahing produkto na pinagmamalaki ng bayan ng Orani. Ang malalaking sugpo at matatabang alimango. And every second Sunday of October, ginaganap yung kapistahan ng aming simbahan ng Orani. Nandun na yung pagpapatuloy ng pagiging deboto ng ating mahal na ina. Ito ay celebration of the Feast of Nuestra Señora Virgen del Rosario. And particularly, ang Barangay Tala ay ang pinakamagandang starting point dito sa Orani dahil ito ang pinakamalapit sa Manila, and ang Mount Native is a mountain na pwedeng akyatin ng ating mga adventurous hikers. Kaya tara na, halika na at samahan nyo kami to witness Orani's relaxing beauty.
We try to chase away the night, you and I, the shadows in the dark.
Isa kami sa mga binayaan ng Panginoon para mapakita namin yung talagang kagandahan ng aming bayan.
Tara na, halika na at samahan niyo kami. So witness Orani in our transformation and witness Orani.